Okay, question 10 part C is on the grid, draw a histogram for the information in the table. So on the horizontal axis we're going to plot the weight, on the vertical axis we're going to plot the frequency density, and we're going to need to refer back to the table to calculate the frequency densities for each class width first. So we need to calculate the frequency densities. To do that we first need to work out the class widths for each class, and then we can then go on to calculate the frequency density. Okay, let's remember that the frequency density is equal to the frequency divided by the class width. Okay, so our class width for the first class is 10, and then 5 between 10 and 15, 5 between 15 and 20, and 15 between 20 and 35. So our frequency density for the first class is 16 divided by 10, which is 1.6. 18 for the second class is a frequency divided by a class width of 5 is 3.6. Frequency of 10 divided by the class width of 5 is 2.0, and then the class width is 15 for the last one. The frequency is 6. 6 divided by 15. 6 divided by 15 is 0.4. So we calculated our frequency densities between the class went from 0 to 10. We had 1.6. From 10 to 15 we had 3.6. From 15 to 20 we've got 2.0, and from 20 to 35 we've got 0.4. So our biggest frequency density is 3.6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll come up, we'll call that one, we're going to mark there. That's 1. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 4. So this is going to be our frequency density on the vertical axis. Frequency density. So we now need to go and plot our bars. So our first class width is between 0 and 10, and we go up to 1.5, 1.6. So our first bar is there. Okay, our second bar is between 10 and 15, and it's up at 3.6. 3.5, 3.6 between 10 and 15 is there. Our third bar is between 15 and 20, and it starts at 2. So 2 there. 15 and 20, and our third bar between 20 and 35 at 0.4. 1, 2, 3, 4, from 20 to 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there is our histogram drawn. If we wanted to quickly check our frequencies, we're going to have a class width of 10. 10 times 1.6 is going to be 16 people in there. The next one is going to be 5 between up to a frequency of 3.6. So there's going to be 18 people in there, and then we've got another 5 times 2, 10 people in this histogram bar, and the last histogram bar is going to be 15 times 0.4 is going to be 6 people in there.